Hey there, Joey with J&G back to you. We're going to talk about carbon monoxide detection in your home. You want to say, why do I need carbon monoxide detectors in my home? Well, the quick question for you is you only need carbon monoxide detectors in your home if you burn fossil fuels. You say, what's a fossil fuel? Well, that could be two different things. A, you have natural gas in your home, so you may have a gas hot water heater, a gas furnace, maybe a gas fireplace. You could have a gas stove. There's many different gas appliances. As well, if you have a wood burning fireplace, you would need a carbon monoxide detector. So there are many different types. So when you're going to change maybe some smoke detectors out in your home and they're over 10 years of age and you're trying to get with the 10-year compliant smoke detector carbon monoxide detector combination unit, which is hardwired, you would use this unit. Mainly the carbon monoxide detectors are required in central areas of your homes. So that would be your hallway. You would have one in your basement. If you have a hallway upstairs, let's say you may have a 3-level home or whatever. So on all levels of your home, you would have carbon monoxide detectors located. Let's say you don't want to go through changing out one of your smoke detectors to a carbon monoxide detector. A easier replacement method would be that you could get a package of these. And these have 10-year sealed batteries as well. Everything's 10 years. They want to make sure that you have proper protection in your home. And these detectors are to be mounted at about 12 to 16 inches off your floor along your hallway at all levels of your home. The difference between what this can do and this detector is if you have an interconnected system. We talked about interconnected smoke detector systems in our last video. If you do have an interconnected system, this will give you protection throughout the entire house. The wall-mounted units will only give you protection in that one area. There are two different types of wall-mounted carbon monoxide detectors. I'm getting ready to say carbon dioxide, but carbon monoxide, that have the window here. It's a digital output, and it will give you numbers. So I like this unit better than the one that would just have plastic across the digital output there, because it can give you an early warning that something is not right if you have any number other than 0. Tomorrow we will talk about, I'll get back to you when I figure that one out. J&G out. Have a great day.